going to be on the move today, and Ashesha is here to take us through that list. Ashesha, good morning.
Good morning, and first up, let's talk about Bharti Airtel because a block deal is expected to happen today. In fact, promoter group entity is likely to offload nearly 0.56% stake in the company. This is likely to happen at a floor price of about 2,096 rupees per share, and the total transaction size is expected to stand at about $806 million US. So on the back of this block deal, where promoter entity is looking to reduce their stake in the company, keep an eye out on Bharti Airtel. Meanwhile, NCC, on the back of some order wins that have come in for the company has informed the exchanges that they've bagged orders worth about 2,100 crores. This is from Assam government for expansion of Guwahati Medical College. So some big order wins that have come through NCC will also be in focus on the back of this. IGL, meanwhile, the company has said that they've entered into a joint venture with CEID Consultants. This, they say, is for setting up compressed biogas plant, and the shareholding in the joint venture will be in the ratio will be in the 1:1 ratio. 50% will be invested by IGL and the rest 50% by CIED. Nelco, meanwhile, will also be in focus, and this is also on the back of a big positive update that has come in for the company, where the company said that they've received Department of Telecom's approval. This is to expand satellite services. This will also allow the company to sell VSAT services and other licenses and expand their Satcom offering. So big update that has come in for this counter as well, and perhaps we could see positive reaction on the back of this. United Breweries, on the back of their expansion plans, in fact the company said that they've launched Heineken Silver in New Delhi, and it will be available from the 25th of November. HCL Tech, they've signed a strategic collaboration pact with AWS to accelerate financial services industry transformation. So some expansion plans over here, global expansion plans, HCL Tech in focus on the back of this.
All right, thanks Ashesha for that list, but lots of other counters as well that are going to be in focus today. Firstly, let's talk about Zydus Life Sciences. Now, it has received its USFDA approval for a drug that is used to treat heart and blood pressure conditions. So yes, a positive news flow over there, a likely positive reaction is what we could see. It is used to treat and manage several heart and blood pressure conditions. Next up on the list is ASK Automotive, that is ASK Automotive. There's been a block deal in this counter. SBI Mutual Fund bought about 78.6 lakh shares of this company yesterday. This, as the promoter sold about 4% stake to meet the minimum public shareholding norm. So yes, promoter holding has been now reduced to 74.95%. So yes, that's the latest development that we are tracking as far as ASK Automotive is concerned. Let's see how the stock reacts to that. Next up, from the capital space, we have LG Equipments, which is going to be in focus. This again on the back of a block deal. Now, SBI Mutual Fund yet again bought about 20.6 lakh shares of this company's stock. So yes, let's see how the stock reacts to this development. Next up on the list is SIS Limited. A change of guard is here, is what we have seen. Ravindra Kishore Sinha has resigned as the ED and chairman. Now, Rita Kishore Sinha, she has been appointed as the chairperson. So we'll watch out for how the market reacts to this change of guard in the company. Moving on, and the last stock of the day is Indian Overseas Bank, which is in the focus because it has received a refund of 835 crore rupees from the IT department for the assessment year 2022 to 23. So yes, let's react to how that stock reacts, but a positive development there. So let's see how it reacts to it. But yes, on that note, we'll take a very short break. Be right back with more on the other side.